So I've just realized that I didn't show the performance for today. So what I'll do is I'm recording this video. This video will be the summary and from today. So what I'll do, for transparency reasons, I'll put on the executions. So those are the executions. I'm not going. If I was to put on the actual quantities, as you can see, the chart becomes almost unreadable. So we're going to take those off, and what we'll do is we'll just have the arrows on, just so it's more aesthetic. You can see it a lot better. Um, this was the area that we were talking about, that we were before we finished the broadcast. There's the 53125 level. We identified that as being important. You can see that in the raw broadcast. This was a short all the way down, taking profit before that very important level. We had a false break out of the level, saw it down to 20, came up, broke these highs, broke all these highs here. We had a pullback from slightly above, around about 60 or so. So we broke out these highs, pullback, had a deep pullback. I wasn't really a fan of that, to be honest. I went long, got stopped out, pretty much went long at the highs, got stopped out right there. And from that stop out, I just took a series of trades, and I eventually made back. So let's just all the way back just to see where we were. Did we take any earlier? Yes, we took a couple earlier as well. There's a series of shorts, hitting our targets, and before getting towards our very important 53125 level. And that's pretty much it for NQ. And we did make the mistake earlier by trading MNQ instead. A mistake that actually worked in our favor, because the account would have been in some serious trouble if this was being taken on NQ. And these are the executions. So we took a short and eventually got stopped out. As you can see, a fairly uh, fairly big loss, especially with the number of contracts there. If that would have been taken on NQ, that would have been a very bad day. Again, came in, hit a couple of targets, had to close out the position, and that's when I realized I was actually on MNQ, because I noticed the size of the loss. I expected it to be much larger, and I was very fortunate. So no more trades taken on MNQ. We'll go back to the main broadcast, and we'll get our trade performance up for the summary for the day. And we'll bring it over. So this is the trade performance, as we can see here. This is a cumulative net. This is the hole that we dug ourselves using MNQ. We came out using NQ with a peak right there before giving it all back. That's far too steep. So from all the way there to a low, that's a fairly big swing right there. Pulled all the way back. As you can see, we slowly built back, and before we finally ended the day, that's where we ended the day, right there. That's the end of the broadcast, right there. That's where we ended the day. And we go to the summary. Go to the summary. These are pretty much the statistics. Profit factor is only 139. 77% profitable. The average winner is smaller than the average loser, which isn't great, but we're able to be successful because of the number of winners. And I think those are the most important things. I tend to just only look at the profit factor. That's one of the most important things to me, and the percentage profitable. I'd obviously like to see the winners improve, but that's just not the case at the moment. As you can see, the largest winner is about nearly half the size of the largest loser. Again, only reason we've had an okay day was because of the percentages that worked in our favor. It was a day because the percentages that worked in our favor. So to repeat that, I wasn't talking directly into the mic. And that pretty much just sums it up for today. So that's just the day we had. And yeah, that's just the day we had. And if you've watched this video, make a comment. Anything positive, anything negative, anything you'd like to see us improve on. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you dislike the video, I suppose you could hit dislike. You could say why in the comments as well. And with that said, that pretty much covers everything. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.